Hey, welcome back to The African. My name is Kitso, and I'm sorry that I've been gone for so long, but it's been a bit hectic. So on this video, I'd like to show you a few pictures of how things have been for the past 5 months. Yes, it's been 5 months already since the last time I recorded or showed you any progress with regards to my hair. I've been to South Africa. I was wearing my hair loose during that time and I really didn't do anything much to it. I just accessorized a bit and played around with the natural look of the hair. I didn't try to put on braids or anything during that time, and that was during December. I had a fabulous time back in South Africa. Summer was just awesome. Went to a whole lot of gigs, and here are some few pictures that you can see. I was just having such a lot of fun. And then from there I went to Dubai for a short vacation. I have some more pics. I still didn't do much to the hair during that time, and then I finally returned back to the Netherlands, and I thought, okay, I should do something to the hair. So I put on some braids, mainly because I didn't want to touch my hair or do anything else to it during that time. I just wanted to be able to wake up in the morning, spritz on some hairspray and just to moisturize the hair and be gone. Besides, during that time in the Netherlands, it was winter and really cold during that time, so the hair gets a bit dry, and if you don't have enough time to take care of it, it will really show. So I just put it away in braids. You can see the picture right over here, how I was rocking my braids. I wasn't playing around too much with the braids, honestly. I wasn't doing too many hairstyles. I wasn't changing it much. Most of the time I was just letting it loose or tying it back so it's not in my face, and just wearing like that to work. I want to talk about the things that I haven't been doing. I haven't been doing a lot of things, and so I don't think that the progress of my hair has been that much in terms of length. I haven't been deep conditioning. I know I say that that's the one thing that you should do, but I haven't been doing that. I haven't been doing massages on the hair. I haven't been doing any massages, and the only thing that I have kept up to speed with and maintained and done regularly is a weekly wash. This is because, as I have said before, I had scalp problems. My scalp was itchy right in the middle over here somewhere, so I wanted to maintain a healthy, clean scalp even with the braids. I tried to keep the scalp clean by using cotton wool just to go in between the lines and clean it up, and putting on some oil to make sure that the bacteria doesn't get to it and that the scalp doesn't actually get dry or stay dry, and just maintaining a healthy, clean scalp during that time. The products that I've used and kept up to speed with the whole time I've used regularly, I haven't changed these products. In here, this is where I keep my African black soap. You won't see it because I use this. This used to be a Nivea bottle for shampoo, I think, but this is what I use. I just make my African black soap and then I put it in here. I have also been quite consistent in using this mixture for my oils. At the bottom, if you look, there's some herbs and some Ayurvedic herbs that I mixed in here, and you can see the video to that right in the link below to show you what I've kept up with and what is mixed in this oil mix that I've made. I've also kept the aloe vera spray. You can see how I make this in the link below as well. This is what I've changed the bottle a bit. I used to have a smaller bottle, but with I think I lost it in one of my travels, so I had to get this one, and there's a bit of it left. I'll be making some more this evening. And the shea butter mix that I made a long time ago, and as you can see, I've been using it. I think this bottle was full up till there, and now it's up till here now. I've been using it, and that's how it looks. When I do wash my hair, I use this little comb to just help to massage the scalp and to clean the scalp actually. And I've been washing my hair once a week, like I said before. Condition with Ayurvedic powders. The link to my Ayurvedic powder conditioner is in the description box below. You can see how I make that, and I'll be adding one more item or one more thing to my routine. I'll be adding rice water. I made this rice water I think 5 days ago. It's fermented already, and I had it in the fridge to stop the fermentation process, and now I'm gonna use it today. Today is my wash day, and I have to first take off the mini twists that I've been keeping. These mini twists I made 2 weeks ago, and in order to wash my hair right now, I'm gonna take them off and then wash my hair. Maybe I'll put back the mini twists, or maybe I'll do something funky with my hair. But for now, this is what I have my hair as, and this is how I've been keeping it for the last 2 weeks. But now it's time to let it go. So, it's been fun catching up. I hope that you will check out all the other videos that I have put composed for you, and the links that I have made for you down below. You can see the links, but for now I have to go wash my hair, and I will be doing a length check on another video, but for this video I think this is it. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Please like and subscribe, down below. Don't forget to hit the bell in order to get notifications when I do upload my videos. For now, at least you know what I've been up to. Let me know what you've been up to, how your progress with your hair is coming along, and please check out my next length check and to see how far I've come. I think it's grown a lot, but don't expect miracles. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.